To use Monzo to budget, start by downloading the Monzo app and setting up your account. Once you have done this, you will be able to see all of your transactions in one place, making it easier to keep track of your spending. The first step to budgeting with Monzo is to set a target for how much you want to spend each month. You can do this by going to the budgeting section of the app and setting a monthly spending limit. Monzo will then track your spending and let you know how much you have left to spend for the rest of the month. Next, you can use Monzo's categorization feature to see where your money is going. Monzo automatically categorizes your transactions into categories such as food, transport, and entertainment, making it easy to see where you can cut back. You can also use Monzo's pots feature to separate your money into different funds for specific expenses, such as rent or holiday savings. This will help you to prioritize your spending and make sure you have enough money set aside for important expenses. Another key feature of Monzo is the ability to set up automatic savings. You can do this by setting a regular transfer from your main account to a savings pot, which will help you to build up your savings over time. To get the most out of Monzo's budgeting features, it is a good idea to check the app regularly to see how you are doing. You can also set up notifications to let you know when you are getting close to your spending limit, which will help you to stay on track. By following these steps and using Monzo's features, you can take control of your finances and make a budget that works for you. Remember to regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed to ensure you are on track to meet your financial goals.